Welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter 7th of Geography, Lifelines of Indian Economy. In module first, we discuss about some of the basics related to this transportation. Now here we will discuss about the first means of transport, that is roadways. India is third largest country in means of roadways, and nearly 2.3 million square kilometer area that is under the roadways. Okay. Now, this roadways is compared with railways, then we find some of the merits of the roadways. Some of the points, if you compare with roadways and railways, then we have some of a better thing related to the roadways. Both are having their merits, demerits. Okay, now first thing that we will be discussing in this, construction cost of roadways is less as compared to railways. Both are unique, both have some specific features, and both are important. We can't sideline any of these means of transport. Okay. Now, what means, because construction cost, if you see that this cost of manufacturing or construction roadways is less as compared to the railways, because these iron you may say pillars that are made, and even locomotives and railway bogies are made, they are very expensive. Their rates are very high as compared to the roadways. Okay. Next thing, it provides door-to-door services. It means that can connect the rural areas, remote areas, cities, towns, metro cities, and whole connectivity, and even easily transportation is available to different doors, or you may say from one house to another house, because that can be easily arranged. So it provides door-to-door service. Next thing, it can be constructed on any of the topography. It means that maybe hilly areas or even mountains, that can be easily constructed, and it is one of the best into the plainy areas, especially into the northern plains. Maximum means of transport are available into the northern plains or northern areas as you compare with hilly or southern areas. Okay. Now, next thing is, it connects the railways, airways, and waterways. How it will be connected? It means we can easily move to the railway stations, easily move to the airports and seaports. So it is a connectivity, it is a link that is provided by the roadways. So it means it is the best It is the best means of transportation that is used Because a lot of facilities are provided, and these facilities, even you can see that the farmers, the businessmen, the traders, the commoners, the civilians, everybody needs the transport. That may be roadways, that may be railways, that may be waterways, or that may be airways. These are the best means that are required for the survival of the human beings. Okay. Now we will be discussing about different types of the roads that has been constructed in India and how they are helpful to us. First one is Golden Quadrilateral. Golden Quadrilateral. You may say that it is controlled by NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. It means this is an important one. It is under the central government, and you have read in maths that the 4 metro cities of India, that is Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai and Mumbai. It means if you see that, if you compare is, for example, here it will be connecting like this. That is something like a quadrilateral. Something like a quadrilateral, for example, Delhi, then eastern part Kolkata, southern part then Chennai, and western part Mumbai. So it is something, and it was a dream that was started by our former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. That was in 1998 plan when he was Prime Minister. Okay. Now another thing is there, that is even eastern and western part, that is Silchar to Gujarat part, okay, and from here Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari. This is also the part of Golden Quadrilateral. It means these are the major highways, 6-lane highways that are under the control of NHAI, and they are called as Golden Quadrilateral. From that Silchar to Gujarat part, and from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, that is northern part to southern part. So, and even these metro cities that was starting, and after that has been expanded. So it means this is an important one, because if these areas are connected, then we may face least problem, because the problems that comes in means of trading, or you may say sending of goods, or coming of people from one place to another, then that will be sorted out. Next thing that is we will be discussing is national highways. It means these are the highways, national highways. You may say that connects one state to another, okay. It means these states, that may be Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, these are few of the states, and they are having the connectivity from these national highways, and they are controlled by Central Public Welfare Department, CPWD. This is also the part that is controlled by this. You have read about GT Road, that is National Highway 1. These, and even maximum of the states, they are having the connectivity with national highways. NH44, it is largest of our country. Largest of our country. Okay. That is from Dibrugarh, Assam to Kanyakumari. So this is one of them. Earlier its name was NS7, but now it has been changed to NS44, and it is the largest national highway of our India. You have maximum heard about this GT road. It was from this West Bengal, Kolkata to Amritsar. That was okay. So it means these are the national highways. They are also an important again for means of transport, trading, and for other factors.